restaurant.
We're going to Gilligan's Seafood
Yeah.
Restaurant. It just came from the tea plantation.
Yeah, after
It's not
the
too far away.
Hopefully it's really good.
Hopefully it's good. We have no idea.
Right, Mom? Look at this, the special.
Hopefully it's good. It says home of the Mango Island Pina Colada. What's our special today?
Rockefeller,
Local
horseradish
half shells.
shrimp. Oh, wow.
Lunch shrimp quesadilla. Ooh, that sounds good. I might have to have that shrimp quesadilla.
Mom, you probably gonna get oyster here because yesterday you loved
Yeah, let's
it.
see what Mom has.
Yeah.
Let's go inside and find out. There's a view from inside, but we're gonna go eat outside. Let's go.
Take that off, yeah.
It's okay, it makes her look cool.
Oh, okay.
You're going to enjoy your $15 pineapple there?
Probably not that much.
You didn't realize it was $15 when we ordered them, did you?
No, absolutely not.
So, you're going to enjoy that $15 pineapple drink that I ordered for
Yeah,
myself?
right now and then after we paid, it's like, it's not worth it to pay $15.
What
No,
were you
it's
telling
not.
Mom? You're only on vacation?
Yeah, but really good.
Was it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I hope you're enjoying my pineapple drink.
You said you share because you don't want to pay $30 for photo pass, right? It's okay.
I did say I'd share after I've drunk most of it
We're going
first.
Dutch today.
Right, Mom? Whee! Cheers! Woo!
Okay, look here. Okay, cheers. Do cheers with each other.
Cheers!
There you go. One more. There you go. That's good. Got the frozen pineapple, the whipped cream, cherry.
Raspberry, I think.
Good stuff.
You guys have nice $15 of pineapple and I got water with lemon.
That's
Thank
what-
you guys.
That-
I don't like to go to the bathroom for now before we ordering food.
That's what happens when you go to the bathroom. Reorder the good stuff.
That's not really fair having me this and you guys that frozen pineapple. It's okay, you
I'm
deserve
sure
that.
your water's delicious.
Oh yeah.
It's nice and healthy there. And shrimp and flounder. And I got the shrimp and flounder.
Yeah, you
and Mom got the oysters over there.
Oysters.
That looks pretty good.
French fries.
And we still have our pineapples. Unlike somebody else.
It's okay.
Gilligan Seafood.